Welcome back to Rustic Cabin Homestead.
Combing the wool, you're able to take the little fuzzies, it looks like the little lint, off of there just with your fingers, just like that. And you only comb the tip of what you have on the brush. As you're combing, you'll find these. Here's another little piece. You just take it off, and we use that for felting. To do this, kind of comb it together so that I can get the tip of it and then put it through the disc using the smallest hook I have. You pull through and then you pull it up. You pull through and you pull it up and so on, and you can do it all the way to the left and all the way to the right, kind of zigzag, so you're pulling through the whole skein that we just combed. The longer roll will come up first. As you get towards the end, it'll be shorter and shorter wool. If I still comb it through, I still put it through the disc. I try as much as I can. But you don't have to. You can use it for other things. Like the shorter wool that doesn't come out at first. The shorter one, I use it for spinning like threads for like sewing projects. Okay, so we're getting towards the end, and this is what I was talking about, is the shorter wool. This is all merino wool. Not only thread, but you can also use it to start the spinning wheel. The thread that wraps around the spool. So we got to the end, and we're just going to twirl this around my fingers until you get to the end. And this is what it creates. So now we have roving ready to dye or to spin.
Subscribe and share videos. Thank you for watching.